Good Sunday morning. May our Savior, brother's peace be with us all. A quick note, body weight 227, 3 pounds since yesterday. The main thing I'd like to talk today about is the notion of addictions. I have long held the accepted notion that an addiction is a physiological occurrence at a point where one thing that was done for choice now becomes done from necessity to avoid terrible sufferings, personal sufferings. I'd like to suggest another pathophysiology. I believe addictions are rooted in spiritual invitation that becomes a requirement. That is to say, the particular spirit invited, does not leave, and indeed calls its friends and essentially takes over as much of the human being as is possible, creating as much suffering, as much hardship as possible, not just for that individual, but for every individual that individual has interactions with, has contacts with. I know it's been a long tradition. A lot of people say the smoke, tobacco or from whatever, attracts spirits. And again, it's my experience that bad spirits, well, they don't like to leave. And they consider invitations permanent in nature. And the ones that are sadistic indeed. They enjoy creating suffering for lots of reasons. Well, the good news in this regard is that it's a state that need not continue, because not all spirits are created equal. See, we Americans have a notion that all folk are equal and deserving and important. And we tend to extend core beliefs into other things. Well, I'm here to say that in the realm of spiritual truth, there is the greatest, there is the most powerful, and there are liars. There are cheaters. Now, if you want to go ahead and believe a lie, you have the American right to do that. I choose bona fides. I choose standards of proof to base my beliefs upon. And it is my personal life experience that has informed me that the ultimate spiritual power here in this world and throughout the created universe is our Father Yahweh, and that 2016 years ago, our Father Yahweh asked his sonny boy, his best sonny boy, to go ahead and fix that blood payment held over the Jewish folk for a long time. And he did. Yeshua Messiah did just that. And as a gift for that, he has been given not only this world, not only every bit of this world, every grain of sand and every leaf on the tree, every tree and every stick, and every house, and everything is owned by Yeshua Messiah, his Father's gift to him for what he did. And I believe his force, his ability, his power is without equal. It's not even close. So, just something to think about. If you find yourself thinking you're addicted, basically what she said is that you have surrendered. You have abdicated your American liberty willingly and continuously. And even though you know, now at least, that there is a remedy, a cure, a permanency available, and it's based on love. It is based on love by his standard. Well, whether you want to act upon that, that's your American free will. But I would like to say this. When President-elect Pussy Grabber, the cheater, the liar, the fraud, is convicted of his capital offenses, I would like to see his place of execution, along with many of his minions, as could be, whose guilt could be established lawfully, to be outside the gates of Arlington National Cemetery, where every American soldier, sailor, airman, civil defense is honorably and respectfully laid to rest. Because I assure you, when word got out in the spiritual community to the plans that President-elect Pussy Grabber intends to level Arlington National Cemetery and others so that hotels and golf courses bearing his name could be put there. I got to tell you, when that news hit the circuit, a spiritual war like this world has never seen began. And wars, unfortunately, like everything, get worse until they get won. So that's it. I'm going to go lay down now, and I'm going to pray you a peaceful and a good day.